Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete an epic here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting an epic in Jira is a straightforward process that follows a process similar to deleting other issues but comes with its own considerations. Okay, so once you are here and logged in with your account, you might want to make sure that the epic is no longer relevant due to changes in project scope or objectives. All right, so if you feel like this epic is already obsolete and you wanted to maintain a clean project management, focusing on priorities, reducing clutter, and improving all of that, you might want to do so. Now, there are multiple ways for you to delete an epic. One way is, for example, this is a story. If you click on this section, you see, you can change it to an epic later. All right, if you can change the story to go to epic, click that, and then here there's an option to delete the specific epic. All right, that's one way. Now, the next option is, for example, you have multiple duplicate of a specific epic. All right. When you click on view details, it's the same process on deleting that. But every time you delete an epic, make sure that you have a backup copy of that, because deleting an epic is undoable, right? It's permanent, because as you can see, if you're not sure, you can solve this epic instead of deleting that permanently. All right, now if you encounter any problems deleting a specific epic here in your Jira account, I highly suggest you click the help button and type in to get an answer. If you don't find an answer, switch to the Jira customer support staff, and from here you can raise a support ticket. From the drop-down menu, you need to choose the technical issues and bugs, especially if you're encountering any problems along the way, and that's going to be the Jira service. You can summarize your issue here, give us details, and you can of course create a supplemental information such as maybe a screenshot. And once you've done that, one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix deleting an epic here in Jira. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.